now let's go to page number 122 in maths activity book because 121 is for homework. Let's go to 122. Here also we have the same. Can you all read the heading please? Read the instruction.
Complete the subtraction equation.
Complete the subtraction equation. Now here, if you look very carefully, you have 11 minus 7, almost all the same thing what we just previously did on page number 120. But here, if you notice, 11 has been split into 1 plus 10. Why is it not 10 plus 1? Why did we switch? Can anyone tell me? I have explained about this earlier also, if you remember. This one, why is 10 written on your right hand side and 1 written on your left hand side? What is the reason? Yes, Ajay?
Because 11 is 1, so 1 must be in the first place and 7 is almost near 10, so 10 must be in the second place.
Okay. Alright, anyone else wants to try? Yes, no? Okay, for example, please look here. 10, if I write 10 plus 1, okay? If I write like this and then I draw pointers here, write minus, what would be the equation? 10 plus 1 minus 7. Now you look at this, focus here. Now 1 minus 7. Can you subtract number 7 out of 1? Which number is greater? Is 1 greater or 7 greater? Yes, sure?
7.
7. So can you minus a greater number from a smaller number?
No.
In simple words, if you have one sweet, can you share with 7 friends?
No.
Can you do that?
No.
No. That's the reason why we have switched number 10 here because 10 is a bigger number compared to 1. So this equation would be 1 plus 10. What will it be? We write 1 on our left hand side in the left hand box and we write 10 here. It's not changing. 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 plus 10 is also 11. It's just we are changing the place. We are writing this here and writing this here. Nothing else is changing. When we equal to, answer will be 11. But in subtraction, you cannot write 1 minus 7. As I told you, 1 sweet cannot be shared among 7 children. So there should be always a bigger number, greater number first, followed by the smaller number. Okay? Will you remember this?
Yes.
Okay, that's the reason why we have here 1 plus 10. I want you to write down plus quickly.
Okay.
Write down plus, please.
Done.
Done? 1 plus 10 minus 7. Draw an arrow pointing towards 10 and 7.
Done.
Write the minus symbol there. Done?
Yes.
Now, as you can see, you have to go to the next box and write the equation. All these 3 numbers should be placed in one straight line. If I'm not wrong, your book has 10 minus 7 only. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes. So what I want you to do, can anyone guess? Yes, Aisha?
Write down 1 plus 10.
Correct. So I want you to write this 1 plus. 1 plus. Right before the 10. Do it now, please. Quickly. Write down 1 plus.
Done.
Quickly. In in front of number 10, write down 1 plus. I know it's a very small area there, but you squeeze in. Now, what is my next step? My next step would be, as we read, complete the subtraction equation. We have to do the subtraction equation. Underline it quickly. 10 minus 7 is how much? 10 minus 7, Anvita, not plus. If you say 17, that means I'm adding both. I'm not adding, I'm subtracting. Out of 10 sweets, I'm taking away 7. 3. Very good. Write down 3. Now, my next step is, can anyone guess? Anvita, guess? 10? No, Anvita, 10 we have already used. Look here. 10 minus 7. 10 and 7 is gone. Yes? Yes, Vienna? 1 plus 3. Fantastic. This is the 3 which we got after subtracting 10 minus 7. Now 1 plus 3 is? 4. Please write down quickly. We need to finish this so that Miss K can do your English and geography. And we have to do science as well. Now, next, for B, C, D and E, I want you to draw the boxes on your right hand side with your ruler quickly. Have we done the mental maths? No, we have not done the mental maths. If we do the mental maths, what answer do we get here? 11 minus 7 would be? What would be 11 minus 7?
4.
Very good. 4. Ready? Okay, next one. Put on your pencil quickly. 14 minus 8. Split 14 into 2 parts. Yes, Anvita, quickly.
4 plus 10.
Very good. 4 plus 10. Draw an arrow pointing towards 10 and 8. Write a minus. Quickly. 4 plus 10. Arrow pointing towards 10 and 8 with the subtraction sign. Next, put the 3 numbers in a straight line. All of you all together say what would be the straight line.
4
Quickly.
minus 8.
Next step. Next step.
Underline
10 minus 8. Okay, underline. What would be the answer if you take away 8 from 10? Should? Backward count. 9, 8, 7, 6.
1.
No.
2.
Again, once again, quickly. 9.
9. 8.
You know why you're getting 1? Because you are opening 9 fingers. You are supposed to open only 8 fingers. Yes, this is 8. 2, correct. Now, what would be the next step, Shod? 4. Quickly.
4 plus 2 equals to...
This one is plus, huh? This one is addition. For good counting.
6.
Okay, sit down. Thank you. 6. How about the mental maths? 14 minus 8, 8 fingers, backward count, 13, 12, 11,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
You got the same answer? answer?
Yes.
Okay, quickly then.
Can I do the other one by myself?
The whole sum?
Yes.
Okay. Then we'll ask Luth to do it. Luth, letter D, 15 minus 8, you will do the entire sum. Okay? Saisha, you do letter C, 13 minus 7. Eileen, you do letter E, 17 minus 9. Okay?
Okay.
Quickly, please. Yes.
This is getting
One of them. Okay, we are done with two of them. Eileen earlier got a chance, right, to do it?
Yeah.
Because she did the 18 minus 8, remember?
Yeah.
So we give it to Rihanna, alright?
Okay.
Rihanna, you do letter E, 17 minus 9. Okay? Alright, let's start. 13 minus 7. I want you to split 13 into two parts, please.
10 plus 3.
Okay, 10 plus 3. So I write 10 here or here? Here?
No, there.
Here?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, 10 plus 3. Do you think I can subtract 3 out of 7? Aisha? No. Splitting is correct, but placing is wrong. So placing here is 3 and here is 10. Okay, very good. Now,
Arrow pointing to 10 and 7.
okay,
Put the minus sign.
okay. What's the next step?
3
Mm-hmm.
plus 10 minus 7.
Okay, next step.
Underline 10 and 7.
Okay, next step.
Equals to
Take away 7 from 10.
3.
3. Okay. Next, what's the next step?
10
Mm-hmm.
plus
Mm-hmm.
3.
10.
3.
Please focus here. 10 minus 7. You have used these two numbers to get 3. Now, what is the next step? What we haven't used? We haven't used this 2. So we bring down 3 plus
3.
3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, now do mental maths. Put 13 in your brain. Hold up 7 fingers quickly.
Before 13 is 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Got it? Okay, thank you. Quickly copy. Who was supposed to do 15 minus 8? Luth. 15 minus 8, Luth. Are we ready? Split 15 into two parts.
Someone said no. 5
5.
plus 10.
Very good. Next step.
4 arrow to 10 and 8.
Pointing arrow to 10 and 8.
And white minus on top of that.
Very good. Next step.
White 5 plus 10 minus 8.
Okay, next step.
Underline 10 and 8.
10 minus 8. Next step.
Put 4.
Sorry?
4.
4.
Wait.
10 minus 8.
I mean 2.
2. Okay. Next step.
5
Mm-hmm.
plus 2
Okay.
equals 7.
Alright. Mental maths, please. 15 in your brain, 8 on your fingers. Backward count. Sorry? Did you get 7? 15 Okay? Next. Vienna? Vienna still. Yes, Vienna? Start coming.
Write 10.
Okay, split 17 into 2 parts. 17 into 2 parts. 17 into 2 parts.
10
Yeah.
plus
Mm-hmm.
7.
Okay, where do I write? Tell me the placing. This is right hand side, this is left hand side. Where do I write 10? Right hand side, left hand side.
Right.
Right hand side. Okay. 10 plus
7.
Alright, thank you. Now next step.
Draw an arrow pointing 10 to 9 like the minus sign.
Okay. Next step.
7
Mm-hmm.
plus 10
Mm-hmm.
plus 9.
7 plus 10
Minus 9.
minus 9. Next step.
Underline 10 minus 9.
Next step. Subtract 9 out of 10, please. One. Very good. Rest of you all, if you are able to do it yourself, please do it quickly. Don't sit and wait. Next step would be 10 and 9 we are done. So subtracted 9 from 10 we got 1. We have not used this 2 and this. Okay, 7
plus 10. 7 plus 1.
Very good. Next. 7 plus 1 is 8. Very good. Sit down. Now, before that, 17 in your brain, 9 on your fingers, backward count. 16. 12. 8. Yes, you got the 8. Alright, quickly. Copy. Step by step. Say and copy 7 plus 10 minus 9. Underlined. My 10 minus 9 equals to 1. 7 plus 1 equals to 8. Quickly copy this. Have you all copied your diary for homework?
Yes.
Did you all write the date and the day?
Yes.
On the page number 118, 119, 121 and 123. These 4 pages are very simple. You just need to fill in one box. It is about subtraction. Please open up page number 118. You need to only write HW. Did you write the HW? Check quickly with me. 118. Did you all write date and HW?
Yes.
119. Strike the word name and write Friday. Strike the word class and write HW and write on today's date. Done?
Yes.
Go to page number 121. Strike the word name, write down.
Friday.
Strike the word class, write down. And today's date. Done?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Last page. 1, 2, 3 for today.
Done.
Done. Strike the word name. Strike the word name. Friday. Strike the word class. And today's. Alright. Now, I want you to close your book and put it in your bag.